You're welcome. In this video, I want to teach you how you can activate Windows, maybe your own window. So if you are using a personal computer, especially Windows computers, right now, so you can activate your own, can activate other people's own, and you can also be rendering this as a service. Like I always tell you, you can make money if you have the skill, the value that people want. A lot of people have laptops, they have Windows laptops, but their laptops will be showing activate your window. It will be showing that watermark. Let me show you an instance of that watermark. To be showing that watermark, and it's actually not so good. So the only person's computer that I've seen it is Courage. So I've seen it from one of his videos or most of his video. Look at it. Activate Windows. I hope you can see it right here. Activate Windows, go to settings. So if your window is showing that, so how do you go about it? So I have created it. This is going to be a tutorial that you can use to do that. So the first thing you do is open the command prompt. How do you do that? You come to your search bar right here, right here, and you type command. Okay. So once you type command, so you can come right here and run as administrator. Don't open it directly. So open it as an administrator, or you can right click, and then run as administrator. So it will ask you this command, you press yes. Okay. So after pressing yes, so it will bring this command. So the next thing you do now is to insert these things I'm about to show you. So I've already created them into, so the first thing you're going to copy this. So copy it. So I've copied that. So you paste it. Okay, you create space. All right. So now you can see that plus product key. So the next thing you put is your product key. Now you have to put your own product key, not another person's product key. Now, how do you know the version of the Windows you are running? So you just come right here to the start menu, and then search system properties or system information. So click go. So once you click on that, you see, okay, so you see all the information about your computer, and then you scroll down, you see the Windows certification right here, so Windows 10 Pro. So that is my own computer. So and you will see your own right there too. All right. So and since it is Windows 10 Pro, so I'll just come right here, so and copy a product key for Windows 10 Pro. Okay. So for Windows 10 professional key. So let's just copy. You just copy it like that. So you copy it. You come back to the command prompt, you enter it, you press all of this, you copy it. So you also paste that, you press enter. As you can see, it has already set it to that successfully. So and lastly, so you are going to copy this to, you're going to copy the last one too, and you're going to paste it. Okay, and then you're going to press enter. So if your system has not been activated before, with all these things I just did, it's going to activate it. So meaning that you can be offering this as so you can be rendering this as a service. If it doesn't work, it means that the product key is not working, and the person, they need to buy the product key. So if all of this product key that I have put here for you is not working, so for your version of Windows, then it means something is wrong somewhere, maybe the product key itself. So this is exactly how to activate a Windows product key. So if you go to Jumia or Konga, you can find you can buy product key. So you just type Windows activation key, and you see some, you can look at it, 3,000, right, for Windows 10 Pro key. So you just buy the activation key from here. You can charge your client 10,000 or 8,000 to activate their windows. So, and because if you don't activate it, we won't have access to most of the pro, the the premium content, the premium features of their laptop, and then it will be showing that watermark, which is not really, respectable, especially for. So, if you are in school, you are a student, or you are around the school, or around the place, around the company, so where they have a lot of laptops, so that need Windows activation, this is what you can do. So, the first time I did this, I didn't know how to do this. So I went to a guy in Ilorin. So, and this guy did it for me, and I think he billed me 7,000 or 6,000 naira. So to do this and then one other thing. So if this person can charge me 6 or 7,000 naira to do this, so you can imagine how many more people need this kind of activation. You can create go to your Microsoft Word and type that activate your activate your window, your system windows, contact, and then put your contact, put your name, or just put your contact and paste it around like that. Whoever needs the service is going to call you, and then you are going to render the service to them, then you are going to get paid. So it's as easy as that, and you can be making cool money from this, especially if you're a student, and making 10,000, 20,000 naira per day is not bad for you. So I hope you have learned something from this. So if you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And I want you to know videos that can help you make money online like this. You'll be the first person to hear about it. Okay, so if you gain value, please like, subscribe, smash notification bell and share. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to leave the all the prompts, all this. So you can't find them online. So I'm going to leave them in the comment section. Sorry, I'm going to leave them in the description box below. So you can have access to all of these prompts that I just used. So and then you can use it and make money too. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.